In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find meeting info in Zoom. If you need to quickly view the details of a Zoom meeting while you're already inside it, the good news is that it only takes a couple of clicks. This is useful when you want to confirm the meeting ID, check the invitation details, or find information you may need to share with someone else. As long as you're in the meeting window, Zoom makes this easy to access. Start by looking at the controls in your Zoom meeting window. Depending on your screen size or device, some options may be visible right away, while others may be grouped into an extra menu. What you want to find is the More option. This is where Zoom places additional meeting tools and settings that are not always shown directly on the main toolbar. Go ahead and click on More. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear with several extra options related to the current meeting. Take a moment to look through the menu if needed, but the option you're looking for is Meeting Info. This section is designed to show you the key details for the meeting you're currently in. Next, click on Meeting Info. Once you select it, Zoom will display the Meeting Information panel. This is where you can review important details connected to the session. Depending on your version of Zoom, the layout may look slightly different, but the general idea is the same. This area gives you quick access to the meeting's identifying information. If you're following along and don't immediately see the More button, remember that Zoom's interface can vary a little based on updates, screen resolution, or whether the window is resized. In some cases, you may need to expand the window or look carefully along the meeting controls to find it. The feature is still usually located in the same general area. And that's it. To find meeting info in Zoom, simply click on More and then click on Meeting Info. It's a fast and straightforward way to access the details of your current meeting whenever you need them. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly find the meeting